cooking with Mya. Cooking with Mya. We're on my phone. I was low-key using my camera this morning, but I'm gonna be in the kitchen, so low-key just gonna use my phone. So that means the lighting is not gonna eat, but it is what it is. Ow. My nose piercings are fully healed. Mind you, I should not be doing what I'm doing like barehanded, but where? Oh, wait a minute. We might be cooked. Where did it go? No, I didn't put it back in the bag, did I? LOL, I found it. It fell on the floor. I just cleaned it and I put it back in. Oh. Boop. Okay. There we go. Okay, ignore that background noise. That's the heat. It's cold outside, so it's cold in here, so my mom keeps turning the heat on. Am I cold? No, but you know. We're about to cook chicken and shrimp alfredo, but probably without the pasta because I used all the gluten-free pasta. If I make pasta, it's gonna be for them, not for me. I'm trying to stick with it, even though I was goddamn Chick-fil-A, but the chicken nuggets have gluten in it. And then I wanted Panda Express, gluten in it. Then I wanted Pizza Hut, obviously gluten in it. So we're gonna cook at home. Okay, now, but let's go. I'm gonna turn off this light because, like, save, you know, my mom pays the energy bills. So we're gonna leave that on because I'm not uploading that. We're about to do cook. Oh, I need my iPad so I can like watch my shows and stuff. Where's my iPad? My book bag. It's on 53%. We might be able to deal.
Wait, sweet.
Hi. I picked you up some Pedialyte. Thought it may help with you.
much. I literally season like everything. Sounds weird, but it sounds weird.
Really?
Stop it, Natalie. Okay, put the phone down. Together. I can't believe him.
Okay, so what's the chicken?
I just have so much to do. On the go.
This is mine. This is mine. Well, I'm not done here. Okay, guys. So sorry for the background noise. My mom's watching her shows, but I don't like. Oh my bad. I don't like asking anybody to get out of their zone or anything so that I can record. Because I feel like when I do get my own place, I'll definitely record a lot more. Because it'll be quiet and I don't have to ask anybody to do anything. But I made them the alfredo. I made shrimp and chicken, the same thing I had already made, but separate. And then I just threw spinach on top because I didn't feel like cooking it. And I got some grapes and I got some mango. I added some mango juice and I added some orange juice and a touch of cranberry juice. I don't know, I just wanted to try it. And put that over ice real quick. And that's really it. I was in there for like an hour. That was a bit. That was a fat bite for no reason. But I did put some alfredo sauce in there. So that's my salad dressing, I guess you could say. And yeah, now I gotta make some calls, do some stuff. Then probably gonna watch Netflix. I'm watching Yellow Jackets. So far so good. So far so good. I love shows like that. And then probably play Sims. I'm not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie to you. Going to the gym tomorrow. Oh yeah. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm trying to expand my topics and my horizon. I've cooked on here before, but I feel like I cook a lot, or not a lot, but often, and I should definitely record that more. And the Let's Talks. I'm gonna try to do those more. But yeah.